Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. Okay, fine. Let us start. Undlovu, guys, Undlovu is big-headed, right? Undlovu thinks that he has everything under control. Undlovu thinks that he is the man that he thinks he is. Ugai is not remorseful for the lies and everything that he told about the council members. Even when he was confronted, Bamchel Umvelas is gonna punish you. Bona. That's not applicable to me. That one is not applicable to me. But while they were arguing, and then in that discussion he decided to know he's going to chase them out. Ashule behind them. But will Umvelase do what Umvelase does and punish Undlovu? Or Undlovu is low-key also like Mamzobe, where Umvelase low-key has a soft spot for? I don't know. What you guys think? Then go Umamzobe, guys. Umamzobe is healed. Umamzobe is back with a bang. Ugirl is just being Ugirl, right? And at this point, all she wants is for her life to go well and for her to be completely healed and for her not to worry about the whole thing. As a family, they had a dinner, which they also invited Untombi and reminded Untombi which she's part of the family since she's been there for a while. Aishem, the dinner was nice, even the prayer. No le family ihlangene to an extent that she reassured Nobuntu to say, Bona, I don't blame you for anything that has happened. You're my child, and so everything is well, right? Everything for now is well. We know Mamzobe, guys. We know Ugel is coming back with a bang. With that said, Umabusi was unable to join the dinner table yaga Gomete because she's got a sick child, right? And at this point, the sick child is sick to an extent yokuthi she needs interventions. Ukhulekani noZamqolo went to the prayer mountain and prayed, and their prayer was heard because the child was okay. They also involved Usfotia into the whole thing because Usfotia is the seer, I think, in the church, right? The prophetess or the prophet, prophetess Kimsadi. Sorry bazalwane. Then, since he's the prophet of the church, he came and prayed for Uvulindlela. While praying for Uvulindlela, he saw something, and Zamqolo asked Uguti, what are you seeing, Sfotia? Unfortunately, Usfotia was seeing something that Unomafu does not want, or could not believe that he's seeing. Yes, he is seeing that Unomafu is the problem. Unomafu huyo okulisa Uvulindlela. At this point, Uvulindlela is touch and go, and the only way for him to be safe is if he's away from Umabusi. Yes, that is the only way. She is not coping Umabusi because obviously she's a mom. She gave birth to this child, and all she wants is to feed her child, raise her child, bond with her child, like every other mother would want to do. But unfortunately, it looks like she will be deprived of that because of the sickness yaga Vulindlela. Now, my question is, will Vulindlela be isolated while in the same house, no Busisiwe, or will Ubusisiwe be forced to move out of the house and go nest somewhere while Vulindlela is growing and becoming stronger to be able to be around his mother? Ziyakhala. Wena, like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.